Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about scholarship opportunities at University of Turin, Italy. This you can try if you are from China and you want to see this website in Chinese, then you can click here Zhongwen and similarly other languages as well. So in this video we will take a look at the scholarship opportunities for international students at University of Turin, Italy. Scholarships for international students. 10 scholarships for international students at University of Turin for students at risk. You can click here and see further information about the scholarships. The University of Turin funds 10 annual scholarships for international students who are refugees and holding resident permit for temporary protection and resident permit for international protection and resident permit for reason of special protection from for another from for protection under current Italian immigration regulation. So if you're from these three categories, then you can apply for that scholarships. And we can take a look here that scholarship value is a gross amount of about 9.6 lakh euros. So yeah, it's huge amount of scholarship. And you can also take a look here ranking lists. There are 5 2-year scholarships. You can take a look here. The University of Turin funds 5 2-year scholarships for international students interested in enrolling first year of postgraduate degree program without restricted number of places held in English. Total amount of scholarships is about 20,000 euro. Every year they have the scholarship deadlines and they change. For example, this was the call for application closed on 2nd May 2024 2023. Next year it will be 2024. And there's another scholarship, University of Corridors for Refugees. You can take a look here. Scholarship awarded by EDISU. You can take a look about that scholarship as well. And national and international scholarship programs. University of Turin welcomes international undergraduate and postgraduate PhD students, researchers, teachers, and academics in mobility within the frame of any national or international scholarship program. Currently, available opportunities here for Chinese scholarship council for Chinese student. You can take a look here if you are from China and want to apply for University of Turin in Italy for on scholarship. Then you can click here and see further information about that. And here you can take a look about the eligibility. Okay, the deadline is 31 October and within okay you need to apply. You will start your degree. The call for application is open and deadline is required about 29th February. Okay, and you need these documents. And yeah, you can take a look for the information about application procedure here. You will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye bye.